Hey, it's me, Andrea, and welcome to my hair tutorials for girls and guys on the go. And this is my go-to braid when I'm traveling because it has you looking good fast because it's half the step of a traditional French braid. It's known as a lace or a Grecian braid, so here we go. I'm starting with clean hair, so I always use the Orbe texturizing spray. It really helps with grip and it smells amazing. I'll be doing this as a Dutch lace braid. If you don't know the difference, I got you. Check out the link. Start with 3 strands. Take the strand closest to your face, the outer strand, and put it under the middle. Then you take the strand closest to your part and put it under the middle strand. Then you'll take a small piece of your hair from the front of your face, grab it with the outer strand and put it under the middle. Now this is where the magic happens. Get ready. A bunny appears. Just kidding. So with the outer strand closest to your part, you don't add any hair to it. Just put the strand under the middle strand. That is the trick. It makes it go really, really fast. So you're just gonna repeat the strand closest to your face. You join in holy matrimony with hair from the front of your face and put it under the middle strand. Then the outer strand closest to your part, stay single and ready to mingle, and goes under the middle strand, and keep repeating. Do those reps. Then tie it with a small elastic and get to work on the other side. Put the outer strand under the middle strand, strand closest to your part, under the middle strand, grab hair from the front of your face, join it in holy matrimony with the outer strand, put it underneath the middle, and then that strand closest to your part, stay single and just goes underneath the middle strand. One trick, try to be conscious of how much hair you're bringing into each strand to try to make the 3 of them as even as possible at the end. This is super versatile, and what I love about it is that you can just replace it anytime you ever need to use a French or French Dutch braid. Headband braids, half up, half down, and it's just enough of a twist on a traditional braid that will make people go, ooh la la! To complete this specific style, I wrap the hair and pin it into place with the bobby pins creating an X for maximum effect. But let's get real, you're gonna need a lot of bobby pins for this look, like a lot, but that's okay because they're pretty cheap. And then I have the other pigtail braid go around that so it creates this flat bun kind of look. Notice how I'm using bobby pins instead of a hair tie because that makes it flat. And we're done! Half the time, double the style. Or you know what, I'm gonna go big and say triple the style or 10x the style. I'm really into that book right now. Have you guys tried this out? Ooh, don't be shy, show me the results, and make sure to include my handle on that tweet or Instapic, and I'll make sure to retweet it out. And make sure to subscribe for more travel videos on Thursdays. I want to see your gorgeousness.